Electric coffee grinder, herb grinder, spice grinder, mini grinder all in one. Includes 1 ounce scoop and cleaning brush, 200 watt. Superscript A powerful, a small coffee grinder that at 200 watts is the strongest of its kind. A small grinder, electric pepper grinder, electric spice grinder, grain grinder, seed grinder and more. Quick, grind French press quality coarse ground coffee in as little as 7 seconds or ultra-fine espresso grind for espresso coffee in under 30 seconds. Similar time frames when used as in wheat grinder, spice grinder, or nut grinder. A best coffee grinder includes coffee grinder electric, 1 ounce scoop, and cleaning brush. Our electric grinder coffee blender makes the perfect addition to a coffee set in any home and kitchen. Safe and easy to use, just press the pulse button until the coffee grounds to your preferred consistency. Easy to clean, with the included micro brush or damp cloth. Worry-free operation, the grinder only operates when chamber is closed. Perfect coffee accessories for your grind and brew. More than a coffee bean grinder, grounds are nut, salt, seed, spice and more. This will be one of your favorite kitchen accessories to prepare your food with fresh ingredients. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.